Rattle and Roll Extreme.
The VP Choice Awards goes to Rewind. Congratulations!
ABS-CBN Films, ABT Entertainment, and Agosto Pictures. Thank you, Village People and Village People Choice Awards for this recognition. Good evening, everyone.
The VP Choice Awards for Movie Actor of the Year goes to the people's favorite actor who has delivered exceptional performances.
The VP Choice Awards for the Movie Actress of the Year award goes to the people's favorite actress who has delivered exceptional performances in leading roles in a film while deeply understanding the demands of the characters they portray.
The nominees are Julia Montes for 5 Breakups and a Romance, Catherine Bernardo for A Very Good Girl, Mariam Rivera for Rewind, Sharon Boneta for Family of 2, Eugene Domingo for Becky and Badette, Vilma Santos for When I Met You in Tokyo.
The VP Choice Awards goes to Marian Rivera for Rewind. Congratulations!
Good evening!
Yes!
Maraming salamat sa award na ito. Sabi ko nga, sa tuwing nare-recognize yung ginagawa ng mga artista at tayo din, nakakataba ng puso. Kaya siguro itong recognition na ito, isang inspirasyon hindi lang sa akin, kundi para sa ating lahat na patuloy tayo gumawa ng mga magagandang pelikula, magandang content, kasi doon tayo sa magpapasaya sa iba, magpapasaya sa sarili natin, at higit sa lahat, para sa taas, maging inspirasyon tayo para sa ibang tao. Salamat.
Maraming salamat, Chard. Ngayon, partner, let's welcome influencers and Blogapalooza content creators Ezra Mean and Chal Maling to announce the first set of winners for the travel and lifestyle category.
Mama sa Nix, Miss Marian. Good luck po sa Pama.
Salamat, thank you.
Friend. Laki ng video.
Wala siya? Meron yata, hindi ko lang
Hi, Miss Marian!
Kuya Jun, gusto mo bang mabuhay? Salamat. Bye guys. Salamat.
Bye-bye. Ano to?
Bye guys. Salamat.
Bye-bye. Chat na lang. Tara. Tara, let's.
Bye guys. Salamat. Guys, thank you.
The VB Choice Awards for Movie of the Year goes to the people's favorite movie that has presented ambitious, relevant, and original content, capturing the hearts of Filipino moviegoers with its excellent plot.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I think this is my second award for VP Choice Awards and yung first time po yata hindi ako nakapunta, but for tonight, I really made it possible po to come here. To thank, of course, most especially my supporters po for the vote that I have gotten po from the poll. Sila po yung nagpuyat and nag-effort to vote for me, and this award is for them. Would like to dedicate this award also to yung partner ko po sa 5 Breakups and a Romance, si Julia Montes, and of course to our writer-director, Direk Irene Villamor. And maraming salamat po for this award. And buhay po ang pelikulang Pilipino. Thank you so much.
The VP Choice Awards for TV Station of the Year Award goes to the people's favorite TV network that consistently offers high-quality news and entertainment shows that consistently ranks among viewers' favorites.
The nominees are GMA Network, TV5, Net25, A2Z, GTV, and BTV.
And the VP Choice Award goes to GMA Network.